Choose a high-fat cream to get a creamy and rich ice cream base. Add a small amount of alcohol, such as bourbon or rum, to lower the freezing point of the ice cream and keep it from becoming too hard. Use a high-quality, flavorful sugar, such as vanilla bean or muscovado, to sweeten your ice cream. Don't skimp on the eggs. They add richness and body to the ice cream base. Experiment with adding spices, such as cinnamon or nutmeg, to give your ice cream a unique twist. Incorporate mix-ins, such as chocolate chips or nuts, at the end of the churning process to keep them evenly distributed throughout the ice cream. For a smooth and creamy texture, churn the ice cream until it reaches soft syrup consistency and then freeze it until firm. To avoid ice crystals forming in your ice cream, make sure to churn it long enough and store it in an airtight container in the coldest part of your freezer. Experiment with different flavor combinations, such as chocolate and peanut butter or coffee and caramel. Have fun and get creative with your ice cream making. Don't be afraid to try new ingredients and techniques to create unique and delicious flavors.